Ginger juice for hair growth, before and after. Ginger is a popular ingredient in many cuisines worldwide, but it also has many medicinal properties. It contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help improve hair growth and overall hair health. Ginger juice, in particular, has become a popular natural remedy for hair growth. Before trying ginger juice for hair growth, it's important to know how to make it. To make ginger juice, you'll need fresh ginger root, a blender or food processor, and a fine mesh strainer. Peel and grate the ginger root, then place it in the blender or food processor. Add a little bit of water and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture through the fine mesh strainer to remove any pulp, and you'll have fresh ginger juice. Now, let's take a look at what happens before and after using ginger juice for hair growth. Before using ginger juice for hair growth. If you're experiencing hair loss or thinning hair, you may be feeling self-conscious and frustrated. Before trying ginger juice, it's important to know that there are many factors that can contribute to hair loss, including genetics, stress, and nutritional deficiencies. Ginger juice is not a cure-all, but it can help improve the health of your hair and stimulate hair growth. After using ginger juice for hair growth. Many people have reported positive results after using ginger juice for hair growth. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in ginger can help improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can stimulate hair growth. Ginger juice can also help nourish the hair follicles, which can improve the overall health of your hair. To use ginger juice for hair growth, massage it into your scalp and leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour before rinsing it out. You can do this once a week or as often as you like. In addition to using ginger juice, it's important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to support hair growth. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of protein, vitamins, and minerals, and avoid harsh hair treatments and styles that can damage your hair. In conclusion, ginger juice can be a helpful natural remedy for hair growth, but it's important to manage your expectations and use it in conjunction with other healthy hair practices. With consistent use and patience, you may see positive results in the health and growth of your hair. Saurav Mondal. How to make in-house ginger hair growth spray. Making ginger hair growth spray at home is a simple and easy process. Here are the steps to make a ginger hair growth spray. Ingredients: 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root, 2 cups of water, spray bottle. Instructions: peel and grate 2 to 3 inches of fresh ginger root. Add the grated ginger to a pot with 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Strain the ginger water using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth. Pour the ginger water into a spray bottle. You can add a few drops of essential oil, such as rosemary or peppermint, to the spray bottle for additional benefits. Shake well before using. To use the ginger hair growth spray, simply spray it onto your scalp and massage it in for a few minutes. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it out with shampoo and conditioner. Ginger contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help promote hair growth and improve scalp health. Using a ginger hair growth spray can help stimulate blood flow to the scalp and nourish hair follicles, leading to healthier and stronger hair over time.